Guys, Off-Grid Bo here again, and in this video we are getting a ton of snow. We are getting a minimum of 18 inches up to possibly 26 inches, so somewhere in between there. When you hear a minimum of 18 inches, that's a lot of snow, guys. But anyways, so I've never showed you guys before. When I come into the cabin where the trail starts, which is off the road, you can actually hear a car coming down the road at the moment. It's a dune buggy coming down the road at the moment. This property borders this farm here, and as you can see, probably the cows in the background. Now, one thing that's really cool about being right next door to a farm like this is this farm is pretty much my grocery store. They butcher all their own cows for beef, pigs for pork. They butcher chickens. You can get eggs, and they do a humongous vegetable garden out here every year. So it's healthy, homegrown, and all I gotta do is walk out the cabin, follow my trail, and cross over through that field, and there's my grocery store. It's pretty neat. So yeah, we got some very fine small flakes coming down at the moment. It's supposed to start kicking off in about an hour. It's gonna be a 24-hour long event. Sometimes snow coming down at 3 inches per hour. You know, we already got some snow out here, so it's gonna definitely it's gonna be a mess. It's definitely gonna be a mess. One thing I was talking about before, when I did this cabin, with not putting a loft on here and not having a really steep pitch, which means I'm gonna have to rake this snow off the roof probably a couple times. You know, not that I think it would hurt it. It's solid. I mean, it's you know, Raptors are big logs, but it's always good to keep a lot of weight off your roof. It's just a good habit to have, and so I'll probably end up doing that a couple times, and keeping these panels clean. It's gonna be something else too. Come on, bud. Deep? Is it deep, bud? I know. This is day 2. This is the following day from when I was showing you the farm. You can see there's quite a difference from today to yesterday, huh? We are getting pounded with snow right now. It is, let me see. Yeah, 10:12 in the morning. We got about another 6 hours of this heavy snow coming down on top of what we already have. This is a doozy of a storm. Right now we have about, I would say, 15, 16 inches. I'll show you my picnic table, which I just cleared off before the snowstorm. So yeah, we're 15, 16 inches at the moment. We still got another 6, 7 hours or so of heavy snowfall and a little bit of snow throughout the night. So we're definitely going to be over that 2-foot mark for sure. But yeah, it's a doozy. I got a lot to clear off here. You can see the cabin. Yeah, I gotta shovel all this off. The addition, geez, look, the cabin looks tiny with how high the snow is in front of the porch. But it's definitely gonna be a fun, fun journey. You excited? You excited? You excited? Yeah. I know. A lot of snow. What? All right, come on. Some love. Come see me. Come see me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What? What? Huh? You having fun? You having fun? Oh. Now this is what I call peaceful right here. What do you think, puppy? What do you think? What are you thinking? Huh? Yeah? You having fun? Alright, no more kisses. That's good. But yeah, guys, this is going to be a short video, as you can tell. Alright. Alright. As you can tell, there's a lot to be done here. So, I better get at it. I just wanted to keep an update with you guys. Let you see the snow we're getting at the moment. Still coming down hard. What? How much love do you want in a day? How much love do you want in a day? I'm going to be doing another video here very soon. I just wanted to share with you guys what's going on here and why the videos are a little bit delayed. But we're having a ball. We're staying nice and warm inside the cabin. In fact, we're probably going to be stuck here for a day or two. This road is like the last to get plowed because nobody really lives on it. Sometimes it'll be a couple days before the road even gets plowed, but we're stocked up good here. We got a bunch of food. We got a bunch of firewood. And we're going to stay nice and warm. Well, it's the day after the snowstorm today. It's Martin Luther King Day. And we got pounded. We got about 2 feet of snow like I thought we would. It's been quite a journey the past couple days. You know, it's just one hit from another. We got the 2 feet of snow yesterday, and today it's negative 14, negative 15 Fahrenheit with about a negative 25-degree wind chill. So it is brutally cold out now the day after. So I'm glad I got all that stuff off the roof and the panels because it would have made it a lot more difficult. But yeah, so I had a short day of work today, so I'm back at the cabin, getting this wood stove going, getting it warmed up in here. And I'm going to make some coffee, make some lunch, and chit-chat a few more minutes with you guys. So anyways, guys, I'm going to eat some lunch, let this cabin warm up a bit more, spend the rest of the day just doing some chores. I think I'm going to get this cabin cleaned up a bit, sweep the floors up, pick up, tidy up a little. But I just want to say, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the support, likes, and comments on this channel. I've said it before, I never thought this channel would go as far as it has. And we have hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And I never thought that would happen. So it's all thanks to you guys. And I really appreciate it. I'm quite surprised and thrilled that you find some kind of interest in my life. That truly is amazing. I did upload a video. It was, I think, the beginning of the week, doing a friction fire. I removed that video for those of you who may have seen it. I did give a thanks for the 1,000 subscribers, but I quickly took the video down just because the weather conditions were so terrible trying to do that friction fire that I had to cut and edit so much that I just felt like it was just a bad quality video. So I'm going to do that again here shortly. So again, if you didn't see that video, I want to say again to you guys, thank you so much for the support. I can't believe we've hit 1,000 subscribers. We're at over 1,200 now, and this channel is just kind of growing like rapid fire, which is it's pretty amazing. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. For those of you that are maybe down in the southern states, get to watch a guy up in the woods at a cabin freezing, shoveling a roof off. Maybe it'll either make you think twice, or it's probably nice watching it from the comfort of your warm house, you know? This is good. Nice nice steak, some sliced potatoes, mushrooms. Excellent. But anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video here. I just want to say thank you so much, and I'm going to keep pumping out these videos, and your support means the world to me. And if you're not subscribed, that means a lot to me as well. So, all right, guys, Off-Grid Bo, stay warm, stay inside if you can, and eat some good food. Have a good one, guys. Take care.